Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Make someone's mouth water. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Imagine walking into a bakery and smelling the fresh bread. Your mouth starts to water, right? That's what this idiom means, to cause someone to desire something, usually food. To remember this idiom, think of something that makes your mouth water. It could be your favorite food or something you've been craving. Whenever you hear this idiom, think of that thing to help you remember what it means. Let me share some example sentences to help you understand how to use this idiom. 1. The smell of freshly baked cookies made my mouth water. 2. The menu at the new restaurant made my mouth water. 3. The thought of a hot fudge sundae made my mouth water. In a real-life situation, imagine seeing a delicious-looking cake in a bakery window. You might say, "That cake is making my mouth water." This shows that the cake looks so good that it's making you crave it. Other similar expressions include lick your lips, salivate, and crave. Opposite expressions could be turn your stomach or make you feel sick. Related idioms include finger-licking good and good enough to eat. To summarize, make someone's mouth water means to cause someone to desire something, usually food. Remember to think of something that makes your mouth water to help you remember the idiom. Use example sentences and related expressions to better understand the concept.